Hey Monica, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. Got word from Savannah over there that you guys were looking for some additional digital marketing help. So I wanted to shoot this quick video going over your site and some quick things that you guys can do to generate more business for you and your company. So go ahead and kicking it off. First thing I wanted to talk to you about was content. And I have you guys site up right now. By the way, it is a beautiful site. So whoever is doing your marketing now, they did a really good job with your site. So on content, in Google's eyes, you need to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized. And doing a word count on your site, you guys have 1,700. So above the mark for to be optimized. So good job there. And then your leading competitor, which is changeyourbathroom.com, did a word count on them as well, and they only have 410 words. So you are beating them by a landslide in that aspect. So good job there. And next, wanted to talk to you about the map pack. And so we see this is the map pack here, and it's essentially made of NAPs, which is the name of your business, the address, and the phone number. And so you're probably asking yourself, how do you get ranked in the map pack? And I like to use a tool called Whitespark. And what it does is show us how many citations you guys have. So in order to get ranked high in the map pack, you guys need to have at least 100 to 200 more citations than your number one competitor. And we see your number one competitor here is Change Your Bathroom. They have 16 citations, and you guys have 17. So I need to have 100 to 200 more, like I said, than your leading competitor in order to be beating them out by a landslide. So what I like about Whitespark is that you can actually click here on view sources, and it'll list out all of the sources that each one of your competitors is using. And you could go in, put your NAP, your name of your business, your address, and your phone number, and basically steal that citation for yourself. So with doing that, you could easily be 100 to 200 more than your number one competitor. So very doable on the citations aspect as well. And so last thing I wanted to talk to you about was backlinks. And so we see right here the organic listings, and we see that your site is not number one or ranked high in the organic listings. And that is because of backlinks. And so we like to call backlinks link juice. And simply put, it works like site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B authority in Google's eyes. So it's almost like a popularity contest, but it's a little more tricky than that because you need to have more relevant sites pointing back to you and your business. So seeing that you guys are bathroom remodelers, you need to have sites that are associated with bathrooms and with remodeling in order to make those backlinks more effective. And so you wouldn't want to have like a Pizza Hut linking back to you because you guys, aren't slinging pizzas for a living and have nothing to do with pizzas. So I like to use a tool here called Ahrefs, and that shows us how many backlinks you guys have. And so with a search on your business, you have 86 backlinks, and your number one competitor has 105,000 backlinks. So you need to have at least 200 to 300 more than your number one competitor in order to be beating them out by a landslide. And so same as with Whitespark, as with Ahrefs, you can click here on backlinks, and it'll list out all of the sites that Change Your Bathroom is using, and you could go in and steal those for yourself as well, and that'll easily put you to that 200 to 300 over your number one competitor. And so in closing, we talked about content. You guys are killing the game in content, 1,700 words. Citations, 100 to 200 more than your number one competition. And then backlinks, you need to have 200 to 300 more than your number one competition. And so all of this is easily doable, and with all this being done, you'll be number one in the map pack and number one in the organic listing. So If you can see that, I have a couple tricks up my sleeves, and you want to save yourself some time and be more effective, then please give me a call or shoot me over an email, and we can discuss how we can partner together. Or if you want to just take this information and run with it, then that is completely fine. Just let me know, so I won't badger you guys with phone calls. But I'm looking forward to hearing from you. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And that number again is 678-661-5695. Looking forward to hearing from you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.